In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and download and install Minecraft step by step. If this video helps you out, feel free to hit that like button and consider subscribing because it really does support the channel and helps keep these videos coming. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Begin by opening up your browser. And essentially just searching up download Minecraft up right here. And it's going to take you to this page right here. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's going to look something like this for you once you get on this page. You can hit this see below option if you're trying to find a specific version or platform that you're currently playing on, but I am playing on Windows right now, so I would just do the one for Windows 10 or 11. But there's a bunch of different options here if you're on something different. Or if you're like me and on Windows, you could just hit download for Windows up at the top, and it's going to start downloading the Minecraft installer just like so. Go ahead and click on that Minecraft installer. It should download pretty quickly, and it's going to open up the Minecraft launcher. Now, the Minecraft launcher is going to download for a second, but once it does download for you, it should look something like this, and it'll walk you through the installation steps. Just follow along with those and just hit next a couple times and you should be good to go. Now, if you're not logged in on the website itself, it'll prompt you to log in on the launcher. To do this, go up to the top left corner and click on it, and from here you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and hit sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, Microsoft account is required to play Minecraft now, so keep that in mind. You are going to need a Microsoft account in order to do this and play any version of Minecraft, whether it's Java Edition, Bedrock Edition, or any of that kind of stuff. So keep that in mind. It's free to create a Microsoft account. It takes maybe 2 minutes at most, and it'll actually have you create one from this page if you don't have one. Once you get signed in though, you're going to see a few different options over here. You're going to see Java Edition, which it might say, download and install here, as well as Bedrock Edition, which will say like install here as well. And then Minecraft Dungeons. As you can see, it says install for this. Even Minecraft Legends. I actually don't have this, but I wonder if this is good. I don't know. That's besides the point. The main ones you guys are probably here for is Java Edition and Bedrock Edition right here. So essentially install whatever one you would like. Bedrock just has, cross-platform compatibility with like Xbox, PlayStation, stuff like that. And Java Edition has a lot more mod support. So it's completely up to you. But even Bedrock Edition is getting better with those mods. But once you install it, you'll be able to just simply go ahead and hit play on whatever version you would like, and you are good to go. Now, there's a lot of Minecraft tutorials here on this channel, so make sure you guys are checking the channel out just to see if there's anything else that you'd like to do, whether it's installing mods, learning how to play with your friends, stuff like that. But before you leave this video, make sure you're leaving a like on it, sharing with some friends, and of course subscribing to the channel with all notifications on. And I hope to see each and every one of you guys real soon. Peace.